Hi, to change icon size on iPhone 16e, first thing we can do is to change display zoom. So just remember size of my icons right now because we are gonna make them bigger. For that, we need to go in settings. From here, find display and brightness tab. After that, scroll a bit down to find display zoom. And now from default option, we need to switch to larger text and tap down to save changes. Here select use zoomed, wait a few seconds, and as you can see, icons become bigger. So you can make them even larger if you press and hold any free space on your home screen. Choose to edit it and then tap customize. So now we can pick different color for the icons, but we can also make them larger by tapping large option. And this is the result. As you can see, icons are now become bigger and we cannot see text. So we cannot see app name now. So let's make them smaller by tapping small button. And yep, that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.